It is right here, bro. It's not even raining. Oh my lord. It's popping off right now. Honestly, it sounds like it's coming from over there, but I don't know. Whoa. Whoa. That was so close. It was so close. No. I wonder if that hit someone's house. That had to hit like in the neighborhood or something, right? Oh. Oh my lord. Okay, that one came from over here. So where's it coming from? I don't know. Ooh. It sounds like buildings are exploding. That's how loud it is. Like that one was definitely like more like, I don't know, half a mile away, but okay, here's some rain. Whoa! That one must have been caught on camera, right? That was really clear, at least on my phone screen. Guys, is that a tornado? See how spinny it is over here? See how the wind's really moving? Whoa! Is it a tornado? Is this a tornado, guys? Like and subscribe if this is a tornado, guys. Well, it might not be a tornado. That would be kind of funny. This is... Frick, I don't know. Look at that. It's freaking spinning. Look at the cloud. Oh my... I'm not kidding. I think that's actually a tornado. That's insane. I hope I don't die. So, if you guys find this video, that just formed out of nowhere. I really mean it. Like, look, see how fast that's moving? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I should stop saying that. It's probably annoying. Whoever's watching this, I'm sorry I'm saying a bunch of words. That's kind of cringe. I mean, I'm gonna shut up. Wow. I don't see any debris, so I'm hoping that it's not hitting, like it's not picking up people's houses. It's sunny over here. That's so strange. Look at this. Wow. Look at that. It's, whoa. That is crazy. It's sunny. It's sunny around the tornado. Gosh, okay, I really hope... Okay, it looks like it's moving away. That's north, it's moving north. It's formed over here and went this way, and it's going north. So, hopefully, Castle High School, all the houses over near that area, I hope people are ready for that. Because, I mean, it doesn't look like it's picking up debris, right? But... it still looks dangerous, for sure. Look at that. Wow. The clouds are like, it's a funnel cloud, I believe. That's crazy. Nature is beautiful and crazy at the exact same time. It's insane. I don't see it. Oh my gosh. I know tornadoes, sometimes they'll touch down and they'll there actually a tornado in 2005 came through this area and wiped out some houses, but that one started at Ellis Park and this one started right here. Well, okay, it's kind of gone past me now, so